It's the new psychic experience sweeping the nation. Madame Deborah, the universal renowned psychic from Flatbush, New York, with the use of her spirit juice, Madame Deborah knows all.
Madame Deborah, am I going to be rich? I see you're nasty. You're digging boogers.
Madame Deborah. She'll tell you about happiness, your relationship.
Madame Deborah, my dog died. Is there any way I can talk to her? Let me have a sip of this spirit juice. No, the bitch is dead. Go!
Madame Deborah. Love, even money. It's Madame Deborah.
I just want to know, how long do I have to live?
Let me have a sip of this spirit juice. Do you have credit?
No.
Well, you won't live long if you don't pay me my money. Go!
Madame Deborah. It's 1-800-SHE-KNOWS-YOUR-SHIT. Just dial today, 1-800-SHE-KNOWS-YOUR-SHIT, and talk live to Madame Deborah.
I see you have 7 kids.
Wow.
By 6 baby fathers.
Wow. How did you know that that's impossible?
Let me have a sip of this spirit juice. That is not impossible. That is trifling. Heifer, go!
It's the new psychic experience sweeping the nation. Everyone is calling Madame Deborah, and if you call now, you'll get a free reading. That's Madame Deborah. 1-800-SHE-KNOWS-HER-SHIT. 1-800-SHE-KNOWS-HER-SHIT. Madame Deborah. Call today.
I'm Madame Deborah, and I know it all because I sip this spirit juice.